The family steps into the bustling city, a symphony of car horns and shouting vendors greeting them. Mira's eyes widen, a blend of awe and apprehension painting her face as she absorbs the vibrant chaos around her. In his father's arms, Hussein gurgles with delight, his tiny finger pointing at the dazzling sight. The father and mother exchange smiles, finding joy in their children's captivated reactions to the urban landscape. Mira and Hussein step into a toy store, their eyes widening at the sight of endless toys. "This is the best place ever!" Mira exclaims, pointing excitedly at a doll. Hussein reaches out, his small fingers grasping for a colorful rattle. The father lifts Hussein high, presenting him with a cuddly stuffed animal. The mother guides Mira through the aisles, her gentle hand suggesting various toys. The mother asks Mira which toy she likes the most. As the son bids farewell, Mira lovingly propels Hussein on the swing, his laughter echoing through the park. "Thank you for bringing us to the city," Mira exclaims, her voice filled with gratitude. The father and mother sit on the bench, their hearts brimming with joy as they watch the simple pleasure of the moment unfold. A knowing glance passes between them, a silent acknowledgement of the happiness they have cultivated. In the distance, the city lights begin to twinkle, a gentle reminder of the world beyond their peaceful haven. The family basks in the warm glow of the setting sun, their silhouettes painting a portrait of perfect contentment.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.